Is your scare not all there? Does your fright not have much bite? Have no fear, Monster Cream is here, with a special formula to make you look frighteningly good-looking.
I use Monster Cream daily to keep my tentacles smooth and supple for that scary twist.
Yesterday, I only had one eye, but thanks to Monster Cream, now I have depth perception. I can see everyone running away. Inhale. And impale.
Oh!
Monster Cream really sucks it to them. I use Monster Cream twice daily to keep my spikes on point.
New and improved Monster Cream, now with added radioactive isotopes for that radiant glow. Available where all good and bad cream is sold. Elevate your scream with Monster Cream.